and in this way you can connect your microphone with your Pixel 7 or any Google Pixel phone, or if you are having any problem connecting this microphone with your phone, so you have to just simply go to your camera setting and you have to connect with the wireless microphone with the video recording. When you are connecting your microphone with your Pixel phone, so simply you can see here is the setting option. You have to click over here, and if you scroll down you can see here is the option that you can connect it with your wire mic or your mobile mic, and then simply you have to start. Hey everyone, this video I'm going to tell you that how you can connect the wireless microphone to your mobile phone if you are having Google Pixel phones. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can see such kind of videos regularly. So let's get started. So friends, just you have seen that how you have to enable the setting if you are having a Google Pixel phone, or if your microphone is not connecting with your Android phone. So I have shown you the setting, that is the little bit setting you have to enable in your camera setting, because when I have done the unboxing video of this K8 wireless microphone, and there I don't know that what was that setting. So link of this unboxing video you can find in description. So there I have not connected properly with my Google Pixel phone, and therefore the sound was recorded not by the microphone but my mobile phone. So now you can see that my voice is clearly recording in here, and I'm also attaching some clip of that older video, so you can see the difference between the sound difference between the microphone recorder and the mobile phone microphone recorder. Thank you for watching.